Okay, I'm working on a Ford Explorer that it says on the registration 2001, but a 2000 needs to take H72. Okay, and this car, it shows on the date 0400. That means that it needs to be H72 and not H92 or H84. And if you can see, I put now a different chip, and this is the chip I put in the beginning. It's H84, and now we're trying to program it. It said success. It said success on the machine. Okay. Now we're gonna see if it took the key or not. One moment. We press OK. Press OK. And now we check how many keys we have. And it shows 3, not 2. And that's good. Now the car should start. So, like you can see, I put a H72 chip, and if you look at the security light, when I turn it on, security light stands a couple of seconds, turn off, and the car starts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our channel.